There is nothing but noise all day long here, and I need a treat. So today we're making some caramel corn. It's gluten-free, it is dairy-free, vegan as well, and super, super delicious. Great holiday treat. Let's get going on it. So we're going to start first. I've got a little pan here on the stove, just medium heat on that. And what's gonna go in there is 4 ounces, half a cup of, this is vegan butter, 1/3 cup of coconut oil. I'm gonna put those in the pan and get them melting. All right, while this is melting, I have a tablespoon of cocoa powder. My caramel for caramel corn is like a chocolate peanut butter caramel. This we're gonna whisk in, try and get as many of the, you don't want any clumps of cocoa powder in your caramel. I have here my big giant bowl, which is what I use to mix my caramel corn. In it is a 12-ounce box of corn checks. So I do a mix of popcorn and corn checks. The texture is just really, really good. But put it into a separate bowl. Otherwise, if you just dump everything in there, all of the unpopped seeds will get stuck in the caramel. That's gonna break a tooth. At this part, I've got a 1.5 cups of brown sugar, and then this is half a cup of corn syrup. You can use agave nectar. If you do that, then I would do more brown sugar, and don't do a full half a cup on the agave nectar. It's way too sweet for that. We're just gonna get it combined, but you don't want to over mix it at this point. You want it to kind of bubble. At about this stage, turn the heat off. We have a teaspoon of baking soda. At that same time, this is half a cup of peanut butter. This is unsweetened, kind of natural peanut butter. I always add about 1/2 cup of some kind of nut, slivered almonds works really, really good. This is just peanuts. Cashews are great, or you can leave it out if you prefer. And then like a 1/4 cup of chocolate chips. These are Lily's semi-sweet dark chocolate chips, sea salt. I like to let it cool off and let that chocolate kind of harden. I've just got some butcher paper here, and we'll just spread that out. Hey. So there it is. Really simple, delicious treat that you can have this holiday season, or really anytime, late on a Tuesday night when you're about to kick on Netflix. I don't know, you make it for when you want to eat it. Full recipe linked in the description of the video. Give it a try. If you make any changes, we'd love to hear about them and what you did to make it yours. Happy holidays.